What if we could double the energy densities of today's lithium-ion batteries without adding any weight or bulk? Hi, I'm Katherine Mack from Rose Batteries, and today I'm talking about a next-generation battery chemistry that's actually inching closer to reality, and that's lithium-sulfur. Let's start with the promise here. 300 to 600 watt-hours per kilogram. That's almost double what most lithium-ion cells deliver today. So what does that mean? Longer EV range, lightweight drones, extended runtime for defense and aerospace, all in a very compact format. And the materials? Sulfur, which is low cost, abundant, and clean. Compared to cobalt and nickel, it's a far more sustainable option, but it's not all smooth sailing. Lithium-sulfur struggles with cycle life. The sulfur dissolves during charge cycles, leading to material loss. It also has a very high resistance, which means slow charging and discharging. And yes, lithium metal anodes raise safety concerns around dendrite formation. Dendrite formation is a metallic growth that can short out cells internally. Still, companies like Sion Power, Solid Energy, and Nextech are making real progress with sulfur. No mass production yet, but the prototypes are here.